Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw USDC from Gemini to your Tangem wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned pro, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring your funds securely in no time. First things first, make sure you have a Gemini account set up and verified, along with your Tangem wallet ready to receive assets. It's 2025, so expect some sleek updates in the interfaces, but the core process remains user-friendly. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Assets section. Here, you'll see your USDC balance. Double-check that you have enough to cover any potential fees. Next, head over to the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. Select USDC from the drop-down menu of available assets. Now, this is crucial. Enter your Tangem wallet address accurately. You can find this by opening your Tangem wallet app and going to the Receive section for USDC. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any mishaps, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you've entered the amount you want to withdraw, review the details carefully. Gemini might prompt you for two-factor authentication. Go ahead and confirm that for added security. Hit the Withdraw button, and you'll see a confirmation screen. In 2025, expect faster processing times thanks to blockchain improvements, but it could still take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. After initiating the transfer, switch to your Tangem wallet app to monitor the incoming transaction. Once it shows up, you're all set. Remember, always keep your private keys safe and consider the current market conditions before moving assets. There you have it. That's how to withdraw USDC from Gemini to your Tangem wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.